Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about what is WordPress. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is WordPress? WordPress is a popular and widely used open source content management system or CMS and website building platform. It is primarily designed for creating and managing websites, blogs, and online stores. WordPress was first released in 2003 and has since become one of the most popular CMS in the world, powering millions of websites. Here are some key features and aspects of WordPress. Number 1. User-friendly interface. WordPress provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface that allows individuals with little to no coding experience to create and manage websites easily. Number 2. Themes. WordPress offers a wide variety of themes, both free and premium, that can be used to change the appearance and layout of a website. Users can select a theme that suits their needs and customize it to their liking. Number 3. Plugins. Plugins are extensions that can be added to WordPress to enhance its functionality. There are thousands of free and premium plugins available for various purposes, such as SEO or search engine optimization, e-commerce, social media integration, and more. Number 4. Content management. WordPress allows users to create and organize content with ease. It supports various content types including blog posts, pages, images, videos, and more. Number 5. SEO friendly or search engine optimization friendly. WordPress is known for its SEO friendly structure. There are plugins and tools available to help optimize websites for search engines, making it easier for them to rank in search results. Number 6. Community and support. WordPress has a large and active community of users, developers, and designers. This community provides support, shares knowledge, and creates themes and plugins that benefit the platform. Number 8. Open source. WordPress is open source software, which means it is freely available for anyone to use, modify, and distribute. This openness has contributed to its widespread adoption and constant improvement. Number 8. Scalability. WordPress can be used to build a wide range of websites, from a small personal blogs to large e-commerce stores and corporate websites. It is highly scalable and can grow with the needs of your project. Number 9. Security. While WordPress is generally secure, it's essential to keep updated and follow security best practices to protect your website from potential vulnerabilities. WordPress can be self-hosted using WordPress.org or hosted on WordPress.com, a commercial hosting platform provided by the creators of WordPress. The choice between the two depends on your specific needs and technical expertise. Overall, WordPress is a versatile platform that has empowered countless individuals and businesses to create and manage their online presence effectively. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is WordPress is all about. Thank you so much for watching and listening in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.